Previously, we have generated admin. Now, we are going to write the logic for admin login. After entering username and password, if the admin clicks on login to dashboard, admin should be redirected to dashboard. So, open admin login.php, and for this button, we have passed name as admin login. I will just copy this, scroll up. Above this doc type, I will open PHP and then close PHP. I will include connect file, include, come outside of this folder. Inside this includes folder, we are having connect.php. And above this, I'm just going to start the session. So here I will be passing session start. Below this, I will write if is set $post. Why? Because inside the form, we have passed this post method. Here I will write admin login. If I have clicked on admin login, then what I will do, whatever name I have entered here and whatever password I have entered here, I will access and I will store inside one variables. Variable, I will write admin username. Here I will be passing $post, and inside this I will write admin username. And what this admin username is, whatever name value we have given for this name attribute, we are just going to pass that. For password, we will be passing admin password. Remove this. Here I will write admin password, copy the same thing, and here I will be pasting. So whatever values I am having inside the input field, both I will access and I will store inside this variables. Then here I will create one variable statement is equal to connection prepare method. Inside this I will write select star from admin table where admin username, whatever column name we have given inside the database, where username is equal to question mark. Then I'm just going to bind statement bind param. Username is nothing but string. With what value we have to bind? We have to bind with this admin username. Then I'm just going to execute statement execute. Then whatever result I am having, I just have to access that result. So here I will be passing statement get result. Below this, I will check for the condition if result. Multiple times we have seen if result num rows, if it is greater than 0, that means this admin is present and the username is present inside the database. Inside the else part, I will be passing one echo script tag, close script tag. Here I will simply pass alert, cross symbol, admin not found. Please check your username or password. Okay, in this way, we are going to display the alert message. We will not tell admin is wrong or password is wrong. Both the words we are going to display in error. Then here, if admin is found, what we will do, we are just going to fetch that particular row. So here, I will create the variable row data is equal to whatever result I am having. I am just going to fetch the result from there. So I will be passing fetch as soap. Okay, it is not going to end here. Then what we have to do, whatever hashed password we are having inside the database, we are just going to access that hashed password. Create the variable hashed password is equal to from this row data. What I have to access? I have to access admin password, and whatever value we are passing inside this row data, this is nothing but column name which we are having inside the database. So whatever value we are having, we have just accessed and we have stored inside this variable. Below this, I'm just going to verify the password. For verifying, we are having this function password verify. Inside this, first I will be passing this admin password which user has entered inside the input field. And with what password I have to verify? I just have to verify with this hashed password. I will copy, separate by comma and paste. If both the values are true, that means our password is verified. And whatever admin username we are having, okay, whatever name user has entered inside the input field, that name we are going to store inside the session. So here I will be writing session name, I will write admin username. Copy this echo. Below this, I will be pasting, remove this, I will write check. I will be passing login successful. Welcome to dashboard. Below this, once login is successful, we should move to index.php. So here I will write window.location.href. Inside this, we will also create index.php file. There, admin has to redirect. Okay, this is the if condition. If passwords are verified, then we will set admin username inside the session. We will display the message and we will redirect to index.php of admin. Else, if this condition fails, that means if the passwords are not matched, then copy this echo. Here I will be pasting. I will write passwords do not match. And below this, I'm just going to exit. Whatever code we are having below, that should not be executed. So very simple logic. We have included session. We have started session. We have included the file and we are checking if admin login is clicked or not. If it is clicked, whatever username and password we are having, we will access, we will store inside the variable. From admin table, we are selecting the username. We are binding, we have executed and we have got the result. If number of rows is greater than 0, that means admin username is present. Then we have fetched whatever password we are having inside the database, we are accessing and we are just going to verify both the password. If this is true, we will have this message. If the passwords are not verified, we are going to display this message. If we are not finding the username inside the database, then this message will be shown to admin. Now I will come here, refresh once. I will be passing Khanam, some random password. Click on login. Okay, I am having error. I got. Why? Because here I have passed admin name, but inside the query I am passing admin username. So I will be passing admin name. Now just come back. Password, I will give something. Click on login. I will have admin not found. Please check your username or password. Now I will be passing the correct username. I will write Hanam admin, but I will give wrong password. Click on login. I will have passwords do not match, but as soon as I click on OK, no form will be displayed and I will have admin login.php. Why? Because inside this admin login, if the passwords do not match, we are just exiting our code. Whatever below we are having, that we are not executing. So from here, I will remove exit. And when passwords are getting matched, we are displaying this alert. And here I have to close this single quotes. Now save this, come back, or let me just refresh once. I am having this form, correct username, wrong password. Click on OK. Now you can see successfully I am able to display the form. Now I will give correct username and correct password. Click on login to dashboard. You can see login successful. Welcome to dashboard and I am redirected to index.php. As of now, for admin, we have not created this file, but successfully we are able to get the message and we are able to redirect to index.php. I hope everything is clear and whatever error messages we are having, entire thing is working.